M5500. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Jeanette Nablo. I'm 46 years old, married. My husband's name is Ramil Nablo. He is 51 years old. We don't have child. My father's name is Jesus Villarico. My mother's name is Consing Villarico.
Your religion
I am a Catholic.
and your highest educational attainment.
I'm a Caris graduate.
Of what course?
Talking about Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Hong Kong. You are ex-Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
As a domestic helper in Hong Kong, I'm the one who responsible for household work like cooking, washing the clothes, marketing, car washing.
How many cars do you car wash?
Once a week, every Friday.
How many cars?
Only one.
Only one car. Okay. And you also taking care of 4-year-old.
Yes.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, but the question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. If you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
For taking a newborn baby, first I make sure to wash my hands, then wash the bottle, make sure it is sterilized, then put the milk, then the warm water, then shake it, then check the temperature, then I will give to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I try to I check the temperature, then I check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper and also the temperature and everything that you done to the baby to make her stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my employer.
So you will call the employer, the parents of the baby. Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because they offer a higher salary for domestic helper.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to work with them.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a Chinese food?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Like steamed fish, sweet and sour, meat like pork or chicken, then make soup for them.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were relatives and they were fixing something inside the house? They want to go inside. What will you do?
No, I don't want. I don't need to entertain the stranger outside because it's dangerous.
So it's dangerous. You will
Yes.
ask first the employer
Yes.
if they know the person outside.
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs or the helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
If your employer wants you to go to work on holiday or on Sunday setup because they have a prior commitment on that day, it is okay with you?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. It is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes, it's okay.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to cut your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair.
Yes.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes.
It is okay with you? Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, all I can say is I can't promise anything, but I do all my best to help their family.
Okay.
I'm a hardworking and is willing to learn for everything.
Okay. Thank you very much. M550 Miss Janet. Thank you.